Welcome back, gearheads and adrenaline junkies, to Ma Wheels, your ultimate destination for everything fast. Loud and legendary today, we are diving deep into a machine that doesn't just ride on the pavement, it rides on pure, unadulterated history. We are talking about the highly anticipated absolute showstopper, the 2026 Honda CB750. 750, if you have gasoline running through your veins, you already know that the CB750 badge is absolute royalty in the motorcycle world. But what Honda has pulled off for the 2026 model year is nothing short of a masterclass in modern engineering. They took the blueprint of an icon and injected it with next-generation adrenaline, creating a ride that bridges the gap between retro nostalgia and cutting-edge futuristic performance right out of the gate. The 2026 750 demands your attention and absolutely refuses to let go. It has this aggressive yet effortlessly cool stance that makes it look like it is moving at top speed, even when it is parked dead still on the kickstand. Honda knew they had massive shoes to fill, and they delivered a design language that pays gorgeous homage to the golden era of motorcycling. While looking straight into the future, let us rewind for just a second to appreciate the sheer gravity of this incredible release. The original CB750 literally invented the term superbike back in the day, dropping jaws globally with its smooth inline-four engine and revolutionary disc brakes. Now the 2026 edition captures that exact same disruptive energy, ready to shake up the modern naked bike segment all over again. Walking up to this masterpiece, the very first thing that hits you is the immaculate attention to detail. The silhouette is instantly iconic, featuring that perfectly sculpted teardrop fuel tank that seamlessly flows into a muscular, refined tail section. It is a brilliant masterstroke of neo-retro design, perfectly balancing classic flowing curves with sharp aerodynamic modern lines. The paintwork on the 2026 model is ridiculously premium, catching the light in a way that highlights every single contour of the muscular chassis Honda is offering, striking colorways that throw it back to the vintage racing days. But with a deep metallic flake finish that screams high-end luxury, it is the exact kind of bike that will make you look back over your shoulder every single time you walk away from it. But we know you guys at Ma Wheels care about way more than just a pretty face. You want to know what kind of monster is living inside that frame. Firing up the 2026 CB750 is a visceral, goosebump-inducing experience that sends chills straight down your spine. The exhaust note is a deep, throaty growl that settles into a menacing purr, hinting at the massive untamed power waiting right at your right wrist. Honda has engineered an absolute powerhouse for this iteration, tuning the engine to deliver incredibly crisp, instantaneous throttle response. Whether you are launching off the line at a green light or rolling on the power coming out of a sweeping canyon curve, the torque delivery is buttery smooth yet fiercely punchy. It pulls with a relentless linear urgency that will keep a massive grin plastered inside your helmet. All day long, the true beauty of this stunning powertrain lies in its supreme versatility. On the asphalt, it is perfectly happy, cruising through heavy city traffic with totally refined manners. But the exact moment you hit the open highway and crack the throttle wide open, it unleashes its true superbike DNA. This brilliant duality makes the 2026 750 an absolute weapon for both daily commuting and hardcore weekend carving to keep all that raw, thrilling power in check. Honda has blessed this machine with a sophisticated chassis that feels like it is literally reading your mind. The frame is incredibly rigid, exactly where it needs to be, offering pinpoint precision and high-speed stability, yet forgiving enough to soak up the harsh realities of urban roads. It is a nimble, highly flickable dream that drops into tight corners with zero hesitation. And massive confidence suspension is another critical area, where the 2026 750 absolutely shines against the stiffest competition. Up front, you get premium inverted forks that provide massive front-end feedback, letting you know exactly what the front tire is doing at all times. On the tarmac out back, the sophisticated monoshock setup keeps the rear end firmly planted, delivering massive traction even when you are getting aggressively on the throttle at the exit. Of course, a bike moving this fast needs to stop on an absolute dime. And the braking hardware here is strictly top tier. Dual massive floating rotors up front, gripped tightly by radially mounted calipers, offer supreme initial bite and unbelievable feel at the lever. You get legitimate sports car levels of rapid deceleration, giving you the ultimate confidence to push your riding limits. As safely as possible, now let us shift gears and talk about the tech stack. Because Honda did not hold back in bringing the beloved 750 directly into the digital age, The rider's cockpit is dominated by a stunning, ultra-bright TFT display that looks like it belongs inside a modern fighter jet. It is highly intuitive, easily customizable, and gives you all your critical ride telemetry in a clean, easily digestible layout through this gorgeous digital screen. You have instant access to a sophisticated suite of electronic rider aids that work silently and perfectly. In the background, you get multiple distinct riding modes that completely alter the character and soul of the bike, from a laid-back rain mode to a full-on aggressive sport mode. It is essentially like having three completely different, highly capable motorcycles wrapped up into one stunning visual package. The Smart Traction control system on the 2026 model is incredibly refined, stepping in smoothly to keep you perfectly upright without killing the thrill of the ride. Paired with an advanced cornering ABS system, the bike's brain constantly calculates lean angles and wheel speeds to keep you incredibly safe when the road gets unpredictable. It is high-end safety tech that actually enhances the fun factor, rather than holding your skills back. Connectivity is also totally seamless, allowing you to instantly sync your smartphone right into the bike's digital ecosystem. You can easily control your heavy bass playlists, take important calls on the fly, and get turn-by-turn navigation beam straight to your dash without missing a beat. It is the ultimate modern convenience that makes long weekend rides and daily city commutes feel totally effortless and dialed in. Speaking of long rides, the ergonomics on the 2026 CB750 are shockingly comfortable. For a street bike possessing this much sporting pedigree, the rider triangle is practically perfect, giving you an upright, commanding view of the road ahead, while still allowing you to tuck in tight when the wind picks up. Your wrists and lower back won't be screaming for mercy. After spending an hour in the saddle, the seat itself is an absolute work of art. Featuring plush, supportive foam completely wrapped in high-quality, weather-resistant premium materials. Whether you are aggressively attacking the twisty solo or bringing a lucky passenger along for a quick weekend getaway, the comfort levels remain incredibly high. Honda clearly understood the assignment a modern classic needs: to be ridden all day, not just parked hard at a local coffee shop. Aesthetically, the advanced lighting package is a massive, standout feature that demands a very special mention today. The round LED headlight is a beautiful, classy nod to the past, but the actual light output is aggressively modern, piercing through the darkest nighttime canyons like a literal laser beam. The incredibly sleek LED turn signals and minimalist tail light keep the overall profile of the bike incredibly clean and beautifully sharp. Every single touch point on this amazing motorcycle, from the intuitive switchgear to the knurled aluminum foot pegs, exudes a premium built-to-last build quality. The buttons have a deeply satisfying tactile click. The clutch pull is incredibly light for traffic, and the gearbox shifts with a slick, highly positive engagement. It is a machine that feels highly expensive,